Tyler, Tyler, Tyler. Get the hell online now.
Girl, what, I'm sleeping.
Tyler, this is important. I think I like you.
Oh, my Lordy Jesus Christ. Everyone wake up.
Natalie.
Why are you on the GC?
'Cause I like Tyler.
You are lying.
Guys, I'm not lying. Please believe me, Tyler came online and kissed me.
Girl, Tyler doesn't even like you. So why are you saying Tyler came online and kissed you?
Plus he's not even dating you. We are so sorry, Tyler.
It's okay, everyone. Natalie, that is a lie, obviously like someone else.
Whatever, who like is dumping you.
I like Zoe.
Oh my god, really?
Yes, really Zoe, I was always into you.
Tyler kisses Zoe's hand.
Aw, I love them.
That's so sweet and cute.
Congratulations, IG.
Natalie, don't try to ruin the moment.
Yeah, Tyler didn't even like you.
Whatever.
So. Winks at Zoe.
Ah,
Come on Zoe, let's go have some time to ourselves.
Tyler and Zoe are the cutest couple ever.
Them two are going to be very happy together.
MHM, you are right.